This is the FMH Conveyors Aftersort Rigid 2-Stage Truck Loader. This conveyor is designed for distribution center applications where we are loading the trailer from an overhead sortation system. This conveyor is equipped with 1.9-inch diameter gravity rollers, standard on 3-inch axle centers, with an option for 2-inch centers. The bearings are lightly oiled bearings for more free-flowing with product slug releases, with an option for precision bearings on the gravity rollers. The structure of this conveyor is built with 10-inch structural channel with a roller set low for integrated side rails for better product control, and it is equipped with powered in and out drives so you can power the conveyor in and out by the push of a button. The operator controls include a forward and reverse as well as an e-stop to protect your operators. On the front we have manual steering, 3 degrees left hand or right hand, and an extension stop bar. The power drive in this system is a modular 480-volt system with a hollow bore gear drive box that allows for a quick and easy change in the event of a failure. The Aftersort 2-Stage also comes with a light and fan option. It is equipped with our herringbone transition and a Festoon power supply to provide the 480-volt power to the Aftersort truck loader. If you have any questions on any of the Aftersort products, please visit our website at fmhconveyors.com.